Okay, so I've made some car scratch program here, which is going to help introduce the learners to the interface and show them all the various types of code. In Scratch, groups of code are in motion, looks, sound, events, control, sensing, operators, variables, and individual blocks. So in this program, we have used a code from each of the groups, and we have also used what we call sprites here. We have used two girls. There's one girl and another here. And I have also used so the sprites are chosen from behind here. So we have chosen two sprites, and we have also used the background. The background is the background image. So we can choose this one. So the background groups are the background. So yeah, basically that is what we have used there. The sprite, you can change the size. This one is 8080. So how does the program work? Let me go to full screen mode and I first demonstrate. So the program here, if I click on the sprite here, it starts counting. Since I already started playing, so the kid, once you come near each one, this one here, it tells you, please, you go away from me, type something to continue, and then if you can type something and then you say continue, then it will continue. So you can see it is counting from 0, 13, 15. As it counts, as it works, it keeps counting, and here it also keeps calculating the meters walked. Yeah, so we are doing some division here. So we are thinking that every step is a quarter a meter. So 4 steps is 1 meter. So we have done some counting here. And also, so basically that is what we are having there. Okay, so how does this code work? How is the code? So in the code, on this one here, we have put the flag. Okay, so we have this loop, forever loop, so that it keeps repeating these codes. And we're telling it to move 10 steps and then play a sound. So from the sounds group, we have a sound. From the motion, we have a move 10 steps, play a sound, and then say, this is under the looks. Say, and we are using a concatenation operator here. In the operators, we have what we call the join operator to join. Then we are having a variable. We have created a variable called count. So it will be able to display the value of the count and the word steps, as you can see here, 141 steps. It does that for 0.5 seconds, and then it changes to another costume. The costumes are the various forms of a particular sprite. So every sprite has what we call costumes. Yeah, so it is going to do to change the next costume. If on edge bounce, it means if it reaches the end, it should be able to switch direction and get back, and then it should remain upright. If you don't change the rotation style to this one, then it will be not upright when it is rotating. And then from there, it should be able to change the count after walking. It changes to 2, 3, 4, and then also it calculates the meters by dividing the number of counts by 4. In case you touched with the mouse, then you should be able to sense and then tell you that go away for me. Type OK to continue and wait for someone to type. Then after that, also to reset back the count to 0. So basically, that is a simple program to demonstrate all. And we have more tutorials here, which kids can be able to start to use to do projects, which they can use to integrate this programming in various aspects of their learning, and they can be able to learn programming concepts. As you can see, there are a lot of programming concepts here, like loops, like variables, like what. So by the time they last start doing the real programming of Python and all that, PHP and C, Java, they already know the concepts underlying programming. And also with this Scratch, they can upgrade now from Scratch to MIT App Inventor, which uses a similar block interface, and then they do real apps which they can put on phones. Yeah, so thank you very much. for listening.